Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable Google Looker permissions for users, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Google Looker homepage. Sign in to your Google Looker account with your admin credentials. Once logged in, locate and click on the admin panel in the sidebar. In the admin panel, find and select the User Management section. You will now see a list of users who have access to your Looker instance. Identify the user whose permissions you want to disable. Click on the user's name to open their profile settings. In the user profile, locate the Permissions section. Here, you'll see various permissions settings assigned to that user. To disable specific permissions, uncheck the boxes next to the permissions you wish to remove. If you want to disable all permissions for the user, look for an option like No Access or similar and select it. After making your changes, scroll down to find the Save button. Click Save to confirm your changes and update the user's permissions. A confirmation message should appear, indicating that the permissions have been successfully updated. If you need to disable permissions for additional users, repeat the process for each user. Once you are done, exit the User Management panel to return to the main interface. Your settings are now saved, and the user will no longer have access to the features you disabled. It's always a good idea to inform the affected users of any changes to their access. Review the permissions periodically to ensure they align with your organization's security policies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.